out, get out, get out. Go. Keep smoking all the way down.
Show after show, yeah, we do this every week. If you hating, then you broke, boy, take a 6 feet. And that ain't heat that you be dropping, that be week.
Young boy.
We out here. Yes, sir. Run that. Good save, good save, good save.
But I run it up for it. On the backside, the motherfucker does go backwards. Just taking off.
Whoa, dancing over there. Keep smoking all the way down. For a little bit of power. George, what's up, bro? You all right? Yeah, I'm telling you. Blake with the, what you call these cars, Blake? What you call these type of cars?
That's modified.
Yeah, man, that's some dope, bro. That metal? Yeah, that's aluminum. That's dope. Dope. I like it, man.
We on that oval.
Man, I should have brought my baby car line. Go. And I got him turned down. My boy drive that bad. just still get praise out there. Yes, sir. Yeah. Are you marked? Get set, go. We all over this mug. I know what to do. I know what to do. On your mark, get set, go. Oh! The run with my phone, but I got it with my GoPro. Hit the gate down there. Put them fractures. Let's go, tighten up. Broke this off, guys. Snap straight off. Dent this. Come off right here. Broke the link.
Yo, those things. What happened?
Hey, bro. I slid into it, man. I couldn't do nothing about it. I was trying. Broke the splitter. I tried, big bro. Tore up my new baby, though. Tore up my new baby, but it's all good. At least my system is still working. You know, that's the main thing for me. I can always get a new chassis and all these parts. Just bought these dang tires too though. Split the tire right in half. About there in there half. But crazy. I got most of these parts I think at the crib. We'll find out in a few seconds. Oh, the body. Yeah, paint's coming out. The body took most of the hit, which is great. The body did good. I'm upset about the paint job, but it's all good. We got the number 2 car as of now underneath the driver thing over there. So that's the one that's on the list. So we ain't gonna worry about it. We'll get back to it. Yes, sir. Yeah.
So those sticky tires, did you already apply this to that, or
Yeah,
that's a
twice
really
actually. I put it on those two coats on there.
Hey, that's funny when you turn that tire, it turns up.
Yeah.
Oh,
Trying to stick. Should work. I know it works at the house on the pavement. Yeah.
that's crazy.
Nice, bro.
Twice.
Come on, brother
Man,
Kevin.
that stuff doesn't fall. You might as well make it a big stuff. Right? Oh, that's all right. Oh, that is
Beat the tires right now.
Don't hit nothing like I did.
dang.
There you go. Hey, give my DTS. Give my DTS. Y'all traded my pack. Yeah. Come on, Kurt. Come on, Kurt.
Yep. Right there. Yep. Perfect. That's where I make my hits at.
Okay.
I'm out there every day. Yeah, that's
That's another good play.
It did rain at first, but it stopped. Like up there, you can see a little bit of water up there. But it stopped. It's sunny out here. Everybody starting to pack up. I done wrecked my car again. Another one. But it does look bad out there. But it's sunny right now. Boy, it sound like you ain't got no back tire no more, dude. Look bad. We all here finna get it in. Right now. They better hurry up. Get out, get out, get out.
There we go. Let's go.
I couldn't keep it straight, bro.
Me either. You treat that shit out of it.